Morning, Carlo Carver. Hello, ayan ang food ko ngayon. Dad cooked me a sisig, pork sisig, and I have protein here, eggs. So, this is my high protein and high fat with avocado half a day and salad. So, salad first. So, minix ko lang siya ng black pepper and salt, olive oil, and pinch ko siya ng konting chili kasi yun ang gusto ko. So, it depends on you. Actually, if just your suggestion, if you want high protein and good fat and high potassium, the avocado is the best one than banana because banana is 4 teaspoon of sugar. So, it's okay. So, nalito tayo sa mga carbs na high carbs, yung mga like low carb fruits is avocado, berries, melon, watermelon, singkamas, yan, and strawberry, yes, and all other fruits is high carbs na po. So, moderation po yun, lalo na kapag naka-maintenance. And also, ang ginagamit ko na good fat oil is lard. Galing po siya sa taba ng baboy. So, hindi ko po tinatapon yung mga, I not throw the oil come from the pork, no? Kasi yun po ang ginagamit ko panggisa. Pag nagmix po yung protein, yung meat, like beef, pork, chicken, eggs, seafood, tapos ginamitan ko po ng good fat, ng lard or tallow. Yung tallow po galing po siya sa beef or mutton. Magko-combine po yung dalawang energy for autophagy, for repairing cells, self-healing, and to load the inflammation. Then, of course, we need more fiber. So, first, any kinds of salad or vegetable above the land. Para po yung carbs po nun is low lang. Below the land is high carbs. So, you get my point. So, let's eat. Ubo apatsi. Kain tayo. Sarap nito.